Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the benefits of meditation. In this video, I'm going to talk about what meditation is, how it works, and some of the amazing benefits it can have for your physical and mental health. So let's find together. So the question is, what is meditation? Meditation is a mind-body practice that involves focusing your attention on the present moment. There are many different types of meditation, but they all share the same basic goal: to help you calm your mind and relax your body. How does meditation work? When you meditate, you're essentially training your mind to focus on one thing and let go of all the other thoughts and distractions that are constantly running through your head. This can be difficult at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. The power of mindfulness. Let's start with mindfulness meditation. Research from institutions like Harvard and Stanford has shown that regular mindfulness practice can reduce stress and anxiety. By simply being present in the moment, you can lower cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, enhancing focus and concentration. Another incredible benefit of meditation is improved focus and concentration. Studies conducted by the University of Washington have demonstrated that meditation can actually increase the gray matter in the brain, specifically in areas responsible for memory and learning. The benefits of meditation. Meditation has been shown to have a wide range of benefits for physical and mental health. Some of the most well-known benefits include: Number 1, reduced stress and anxiety. Number 2, improved sleep quality. Number 3, increased focus and concentration. Number 4, reduced pain. Number 5, boosted immune system. Number 6, improved mood. Number 7, increased self-awareness. Number 8, enhanced creativity. How to get started with meditation. If you're interested in trying meditation, there are a few things you need to do. Number 1, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Number 2, sit in a comfortable position. Number 3, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Number 4, notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Number 5, if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Number 6, start with short meditation sessions, such as 5 or 10 minutes. Number 7, gradually increase the length of your sessions as you become more comfortable with meditation. So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of meditation backed by research and science. Conclusion. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you improve your physical and mental health. If you're looking for a way to reduce stress, improve your sleep, and boost your overall well-being, meditation is a great place to start. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Do you have any questions? If yes, then leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.